Hello guys, welcome back to another video of Techavro. Hope you guys are having a great day. In this video I'm gonna walk through how can you make iPhone font bigger. So guys, to do this, at first just go to your phone settings. Now after going to your phone settings, just go to your accessibility option, this one. Now here you can see the third option is display and text size. Click on it. And the second option here you can see here is larger text. Click on it. Now here you can see larger accessibility sizes. You need to just turn this option on. After that, in the bottom here you can see there is option. You need to just slide it to right side to make your font bigger like this. And by this way you can just make your iPhone font bigger. So guys, that's how you can do it. Hope you find this video helpful. If you have found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Techavro. Thank you so much for watching the video.